Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swati Dreamy. Today I am here in Verona. Verona is a beautiful city in North Italy. This is CastelVecchio, that means old castle. It was built around 1355. This building exhibits exciting art collections and is well known for its rich history and architectural value. Inside view of the Castle Vecchio. There is a museum which is open from Tuesday to Sunday from 10 am to 6 pm. In addition to its art and architecture, Castle Vecchio is also known for its tragic history. In the 20th century, it was used as a barracks and military hospital during the World War I and II. It was heavily damaged by bombing during the latter conflict, and many of its artwork were lost or damaged. The castle was subsequently restored and opened to the public in 1950s. The castle is situated on the banks of Adige river and it's one of the best preserved example of medieval military architecture in Italy. Now I am gonna show you the view of the river and the city from every corner. Enjoy the video till end. This bridge that is named as CastelVecchio Bridge or Ponte Sceligero Bridge was intended to serve as an escape route for the inhabitants of CastelVecchio. For almost 5 centuries, the bridge remained undamaged despite several floods. In 1802, the French destroyed a tower, ground down most of the battlements. A few years later, the bridge was restored and reopened to the public. In 1945, the German troops destroyed the beautiful building during their retreat. Fortunately, the Ponte Sceligero was rebuilt completely and true to the original. I like this corner and did some photo shoot over there. Wow, such a nice view. I really want to go downstairs and want to spend some time over there. Some photo shoot again. Now I am gonna climb the stairs and will show you the view from the top. It was little bit scary to climb the stairs, but it's fine. I was moving forward, but suddenly I noticed that I missed the corner. Again, the same feeling. Wow, how can I miss this place? I must go there. But I feel that walking over this beautiful bridge is an essential part of my visit to Verona. Along the sides of the bridge, there are tall pillars with small rectangular openings below that are more suggestive of a stronghold than a path across the water. There is a small raised stone ledge along the whole bridge. You can walk along it and look. This bridge is only open to the pedestrians. Since it is only a pedestrian bridge, you can enjoy the view undisturbed. I spent some time sitting over there because I was completely speechless at the view from this point. River flows and I can hear the water flowing. It's something like you are relieved from all of the stress for some moment. Now let's go to the other side. The view of the Ponte Sceligero Bridge from the river bank in the late afternoon while the sun is setting over the river is just wow. I will highly recommend this place to visit. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the walk tour. Now it's time to go back. Let's have a look at the castle for the last time today. I was waiting at the bus stop for the bus, but suddenly I noticed there is a monument behind. The monument is Arch of the Gavi. It was the monument that welcomed those arriving from the southwest on the outskirts of Verona. Again, the view of the Adige river and the CastelVecchio bridge made me stop for some time, but the chilly winds reminds me I need to go home. Thank you for watching this till the end. Also, if you are coming to Verona, do visit CastelVecchio. Thanks once again. See you on the next video. Tata!